Hey there! On Motom, we have millions of products available on our database, but if you can't find the specific one you're looking for, you can simply copy and paste the URL for the product you want to tag. To add the content you want to tag, click Add Tag, Add Product, and then URL to paste the link. When you enter the URL to tag from the internet, you can tap the Check Commission Status button to see if you can earn commission on the product. Once you've added the URL, all you have to do is add product information such as a product photo, name, brand, price, and category. When you tag eligible products using a link, you still earn the same commission you would if you tagged from Motom's catalog. After you've added all your product information, click Tag. When you've finished tagging all your products you want to add to your post, click Post so all your followers can shop. Got questions? Email us at help@motom.me.